guys, today I'm going to be fidget trading with my sister. These are all my fidgets. And those are my sister's fidgets. Let's start trading. She's going to start first.
Okay, I am gonna offer. I think I'm gonna offer. There's monkey noodles.
I'll give you a textured monkey noodle.
You need to add because you see this is like true monkey noodles.
I guess I'll add these two.
Okay, deal.
My turn. I'm going to trade this mini poppet.
Oh my gosh!
And can I have your ice cream simple dimple for this mini poppet?
Ice cream simple
Mhm.
And one more thing, and it's a deal.
I guess I'll add this poppet.
I guess so. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Just take it. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love this mini poppet.
Okay, her turn.
Okay. What are you gonna offer for my dimple, which is rare and it's super hard to find?
It's actually rare, but not super hard to find.
Yeah, I just call it that because then I can spend more people like that.
I'm going to give you this poppet.
Wait, oh my gosh! I love it. Okay, right here.
My turn. What
I'm gonna.
will you give me for a zippy bracelet?
But not really zip that much.
Of course it can.
Oh, okay. I want to see. Wow.
Hurry up, offer.
Okay. I'm gonna offer like. Wait. Wait for me to be done. Two stack of poppets.
Can you have one more poppet?
I didn't want to do this, but I guess I'll add my.
Oh my gosh, just for this hot shot poppet deal. You can keep the rest of that poppets. I love this. Now I'm gonna trade my hot shot poppet now.
Okay. I'm gonna offer like.
Wait, I'm only gonna trade this one for a lot of stuff. Can I take that snapper as well?
What?
The squishy, the snapper, and the other poppet, and that's a deal.
This one. This one.
And the heart poppet. Deal.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. No.
I'm gonna trade this. And it's color changing on both sides.
Wait, you take this,
No, I don't need that.
Okay. Gosh.
This is color changing.
No.
Watch, pop one, other side, lighter.
Over this.
Oh my gosh, a board game poppet. Add one more poppet.
Why?
Because this is really nice.
This too.
And I already have a board game poppet and it's tight.
Okay then.
Can I have two poppets? OMG.
Wait, some more of this is, I think ultra rare or rare.
That's only uncommon. Deal. Get scam.
Broken, but I know it's broken, but it's different pop.
Oh, pimples.
Offer 2 monkey noodles.
I guess I can offer a bubble tea poppet.
You mean at one? You take away that and add one thing, that's all.
I'll give you this poppet.
Okay.
Yes. I got so many monkey noodles.
Hey, can I offer some of your monkey noodles?
Some fine. You can offer this glitter, and these 2 plain monkey noodles.
I think I would just give you this bracelet.
Deal.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I love monkey noodles.
Now, what will you give me for one of my favorite poppets?
That's not legendary, so yeah.
But still.
Okay.
Can I offer for your pineapple poppet?
I love my pineapple, but I don't think I'm gonna offer it.
Please, I'll do a super good offer.
Like what?
Like, I'll give you this pink monkey noodle, this rainbow poppet, your dimple, and this owl poppet. Oh, and I'll add one more thing. I'll add one simple dimple.
I really love this, so I think I'll add like this and this, and to one of my textured monkey noodles, and this.
That's broken. I don't want it.
Okay, and this. Still add it. Oh gosh, my palette is too far away.
Deal.
Yeah. I wish I got a simple dimple.
Can I afford that simple dimple?
But then I have no more symbols.
Please.
Fine.
I'll give you this poppet, this poppet, this poppet, and this poppet. Oh gee, yes, I can finally add
Oh
this
my gosh, guys, I got a lot of monkey noodles.
Bye.